Hey guys, we received these BUNMO stretchy sensor strings. So these are the glow sticky or the strings or the sensory strings for the kids to play. So it's a pack of six and they are the glow strings. So as you can see, it's a very nice quality here, super stretchy and looks like durable with a TPR material. Uh, so it's like a latex and the flexible and the stretchy thing, and you can easily play to tie it together. So it's really fun, easy to clean and wash, and then also use and play. Stretchy stuff that you can easily use. Six pack and different colors as you can see it here. So you can make different shapes. It glows in the night, on the dark as you can see. So overall, a very nice stringy things for the kids to play or write letters or school or the car anywhere they want to use.